Listen, everything I teach you and show you, I do it for a reason. I have seen everything in trading. I've seen people make millions. I've seen people lose money. I've seen people blow accounts. I've seen people literally lose everything from trading. I've seen people making £50,000 in a day. I've seen people literally lose £50,000 in a day. And not only have I seen it, I've experienced it. I've been through my own battles as well. Depression, learning to trade, splitting up with girlfriends, long hours, blowing accounts. I've been through it all. And everything I teach you from experience. And not only that, I also get a lot of successful members join me, and I actually analyze the way they trade, right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you why I manage trades the way I do, okay? Because it's very important, and I do it not because I want to prove something. I'm doing it because I want you all to be successful. First of all, okay, as you'll probably know, I love high win ratios trading, mainly because I don't accept anything less than perfection. I don't just want to be a good trader. I want to be the best trader I can be. Period. I want to wake up, I want to smash my trading knowing I've had a good day, I've done the best I can, now I'll turn my computer off and I'll go enjoy the rest of my day. If I just show you my trades today, so as you can see, no open trades, okay? If we look at the week, look at the day, so we look at the day, 2,600 quid, there you go there, 100% today. If we look at the week, we look at 5,000. Okay, look at the blues. Look at the blues. Look at the blues. Okay, one loss this week. I've had one loss this week. If you look at the month, £9,000. Look, see, 9,000. I don't know if it's focusing, but you can see. Okay, all my trades this month, all blues, blues, blues. Couple of losses, blues, 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 blues. Right now, let me explain to you how I do this. Now, first of all, you are not going to get around what I'm about to show you. It doesn't matter if you're not there yet on your trading path. You will come back to this video and you will do exactly this. Let me explain. If you are to become a full-time trader, you're going to have to trust your decision making. You're going to have to trust your trading, period. Okay? You quit your job. You're now a full-time trader, right? You have to be confident in what you are doing. And the only way you are going to do that, unfortunately, is by managing trades. The only way to build confidence up. You can't jump on the charts and go, I want a mechanical strategy, fixed stop loss, fixed take profit. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do that. No. Think about this. If you are to be a full-time trader, you have to be confident, you know what you're doing, and you can make money every single day. Okay? And that's the key. Making money every single day. Every trade that I take, okay, is unique. My job as a trader is to make money every day. Okay? I understand and accept I will get losses from time to time. That will happen. I can't ignore that, okay? However, my job is to make money. So every trade that I take with the Mogwai Reversal strategy, it has to be perfect, okay? I had a member the other week said to me, Jamie, would you take this trade? I know it's not quite met the rules, but we've got a good support and resistance. No, it's black or white. If it meets the rules, I take the trade. If it doesn't meet the rules, I don't take the trade. There's no compromising. There's no, well, maybe I will. No, black or white. Confidence building, being patient, being disciplined, and, trusting your strategy, right? Black or white. Take the trade, meets the rules, done. Okay? So for me, as you'll know, I only take the first pullback. I will not take anything else. Doesn't matter if I've been on the charts for hours. If there's no setup, I will not take the trade. Okay? So as you can see here, I'm just going to use this example because this is live right now. Okay? But, if you were to look at any other example, Euro USD, again, there's one there. There's probably one on gold as well. Okay, there's one just there, okay? But we'll go over GPUSD, okay? So for me, I will always take the first pullback to an area of structure, okay? Where's my resistance area so I can draw it? Here we go here, right? Okay, look at this. Break and retouch, area of support and resistance. Done. That is it. I promise you right now, if you take trades like that, you'll be happy for the rest of your life, right? Just setups like this. There was a trade. Let's have a look at Aussie US dollar, right? Let's just look at GPUSD, right? Because there were some trades today that we took with the members. Okay, here's one here that I took, right? There isn't a coincidence about this. Every single trade is the first pullback to an area of support. That is it. That was all I take. I will not take anything else. I won't compromise. If it's not like this, I won't take the trade. I need to make money. It's my job as a trader. Okay, so only this setup. Let's break down this setup, yeah? Right, done. Okay, so, okay, I'm looking for a setup. Okay, I'm sitting here, I'm being patient, blah, 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 blah. Okay, let's just get rid of, we'll leave that support and resistance, okay? So, I'm just going to pause it here. We are currently in a downtrend, okay? So, we've gone from an uptrend to a downtrend, okay? So, obviously, we're not doing anything at the minute. Now, it looks like we're going into an uptrend, okay? We created that higher high. Price starts to pull back, okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1, bang, okay? Now, okay, it has touched the EMA, but I'll allow it, right? It's created a higher high. It's the first pullback. It's an area of support and resistance. It's a nice pullback. It's not sideways. It's clearly a pullback. I've clearly got a setup. It's clearly the first pullback. It's clearly at a support and resistance. Done. Now, my objective here is to make money. So I'm in this trade. My priority is to win this trade, black or white. I'm not bothered about, I'm going to go for 1 to 3, 1 to 4. I don't know as a trader what will happen with this trade. It might go for 1 to 10. It might stop me out. I don't know. I treat every trade individually, right? Now, do not sit there and go, I need to make a 1 to 2 on this trade. I need to make a 1 to 3. What happens if you don't get a 1 to 3? What happens if you don't get that? Right? We have to treat every trade individually. We have started, imagine now, you jumped on the charts, full-time trader. You start your day, zero. Okay? Not in a loss, not in a profit. So if we make profit on this trade, good. We've done our job. Okay? So priority is win this trade. I'll get my stop loss out of the way. Okay? Right? Now, the reason why I say that is because I often get people saying, oh, but, you should go for a 1 to 2, 1 to 3 because, let's say when you get a loss, you lose more money. Okay, let's get to that point, right? Stop thinking about the future. Think about now. What if I get a loss? What if I get ran over? What happens if I die tomorrow? What if, right? When we're in a trade that's losing, we'll worry about that then. But right now, we're just about to take a trade. Let's worry about this trade, not what the next trade is, okay? If the next trade is a winner, good. If the next trade is a loss, we work on it. You don't know that the next 10 trades you take could be an entire win. Every single trade could win. You don't know. Treat every single trade individually, right? Do not chase profits. Do not sit there and go, what if this happens or what if that happens? Forget about the future. It's about the now. We are here, day one. We're full-time traders. We need to make profit, okay? So I'm going to get my stop loss out of the way, okay? Stop loss out of the way. 5 pip stop loss on this one, okay? My priority, and this is what I want to teach you, right? You can't sit here and say, I will go for a 1 to 2. What happens if this trade doesn't go for 1 to 2? You've lost money. Full-time trader, your first day, you've lost money. And you could have avoided that. Excuse me. So, okay, so price comes down here, bang. Now, I just want to show you, I would actually take profit just here, okay? 4.5 pips. Now, for me, as a trader, my job is to make money every single day. It's going to pay for my bills. It's going to pay for my mortgage. This is my bread and butter, Okay, in English term, it means, you know, this is my foundations. I need to make money here. Okay, so I want to take profit off this trade. Get it out the way, bank it in your trading account, right? This is your full-time job, okay? Build that confidence up. Know what to do in situations like this. So I'm going to take profit here. Okay, I'll close off 60% or 70% off the trade. Get that money in the bank. It will help with your confidence. It will help you with your psychology. It means that if you don't lose this trade, you're not got to force the next trade, because if you lose this trade, you got to force the next trade. But currently, we're in a trade. We're in a winning trade. Jobs are good. And this is a top tip, right? If you just sit there and take perfect trades, you will get trades that constantly win. If you are patient, disciplined, and you're selective on your trades, you will just take winning trades all the time, okay? Because what's to say that the next trade you take isn't a winner too? You can always say, but the next trade could be a loss. Well, we'll find that out when we get there. Right now, we're in a trade, we've made profit, bank the profit, okay? Bank it. Now, you can do what you want. Okay, if you want to be a bit greedy and push the trade, that is absolutely fine. Okay, but for me, trading is paying for my bills. So first is I need to get some profit in my bank account, and then whatever happens with the trade, you can do what it wants. If it wants to stop me out, that's fine. I've not lost any money. If it goes off to 1 to 2, 1 to 3, fine. Okay, and that's how you want to treat trading, exactly like that. Okay, so let's say I hold this trade. I'm holding, done. I'm out there. I'm out, done. The worst thing you can do now is look back and go, yeah, I should have held it. I should have done this. You wouldn't believe over the years the amount of people that have gone, Jamie, I want to make a 10 grand day. And then they go do a 10 grand day and then they lose the lot the next day. You're not going to be a full-time trader like that. You need to bank profit every single day, right? This trade, look, right, I don't know if this trade is going to go to, 15 pips. I don't know. Nobody knows. And anybody that tells you that is pure and utter lying, okay? As you can see there, we got stopped out, okay? And this is what I'm trying to say to everyone. Okay, you want to enjoy your trading. Stop trying to look at stuff like, oh my God, I need to do this, I need to do that. You don't need to do anything, right? All we need to do, well, we need to do something. What we need to do is we need to be selective on our trades, and we need to only take the perfect trades, and then we need to make money on those trades. At least make money. What you do afterwards, right? If you want to close the entire trade off in profit, or you want to move your stop loss and target 1 to 2, 1 to 3, that's absolutely fine. But if trading is going to become your full-time job, you can't take risks like that, okay? You need to get your bread and butter in. You need to get your money in, right? It's best to close a trade off in a win than it is a loss, period. Okay, you can't become a full-time trader going loss, win. Oh my God, I missed another win because I was asleep. Loss, win, loss. It ain't going to work like that. You need to be very selective on your trades. 1 or 2 currency pairs, right? I'll give you an example here. I mean, I don't know what today's been. I'll give you an example. London Open this morning. Ready? Look at this. Okay. Let me explain. I'll show you exactly my trading session this morning, right? You ready? I'm going to put this like this. And again, my bread and butter. This is how I make my money. You ready? So let's get rid of that there. Let's get rid of that there. And that is it. Okay, watch this. So this is London Open. I've just started trading, full-time job now. Let's go first day on the charts, okay? I don't want any losses. I want to end the day in positive, because if I'm positive and I'm winning trades, life's better. Okay, nobody wants to be a miserable sod losing trades. Okay, plain and simple, right? So okay, I've got a setup. Do I like this trade? First pullback to an area of resistance. Where's the resistance? It is just there. Look at that there. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, so I'm in this trade, right? Well, I'm about to take this trade now. Again, don't know what this trade's going to do. Is it going to go for 1 to 3, 1 to 4? I don't know. What I want to do is I want to make money. I know that for a fact. I want to make money. So again, I'm going to take a short position here. Okay, I'm going to put my stop loss out of the way. I put my stop loss 5 pips. Okay, you ready? 5 pips. 5 pip stop loss. Okay, take profit. We'll go for, again, it doesn't matter about the take profit. I'll go for a 1 to 2. Okay, there you go there. 1 to 2. Doesn't matter, right? But again, my objective with this trade is to make money first. What happens afterwards, you can do what you want. You can push the trade to 1 to 20. But if you're going to become a full-time trader, you need to bank profits. Okay? You can't be taking stupid risks like, I'm going to go for a 1 to 5. Okay, do that. And then it stops you out at 1 to 2. And you think, yeah, maybe I should have just gone for a 1 to 2. Right? So as the price comes down here, right? My priority here is target this low. Ready? So that low just there, stop. So now, okay, bear in mind, I'm trading 3 lots. In fact, I actually took this. Did I take this trade? Was it this trade? Hold on, give me a sec. Yeah, I did. Oh, no, I took Euro USD in a minute. I took a buy on Euro USD, which was London Open. Okay, I took a sell there. So that was a sell on gold. Okay, right. So now I'm going to bank some profit. Get that profit in the bank. Feel comfortable. Feel confident. You've selected a winning trade. It's winning. It's doing what we want it to do. That's great. Get some profit in. What you do now is fine. Okay? Move your stop loss to break even if you want. Reduce the risk. What I'll do is I will just carry on manage the trade. I'll bank some profit. Done. That is me out. You see how we got the second MACD arrow just there. See? I'm out at that. Done. I'm out. Now, I don't care if this trade goes to a 1 to 10. I'm not bothered. I've done my job. I found a winning trade. I've took a winning trade. I made money on this winning trade. Done. Job's a good one. You wouldn't believe the amount of people that like, oh, well, we should do this because the next trade could be a loss. Okay, well, worry about that on the next trade. Okay, until we're in a losing trade, we'll worry about that then. Because if you're closing trades off here and taking partials, you can do the exact same if it's a loss, right? Let me give you an example here, right? So give you an example here, right? I wouldn't take this trade. I wouldn't take this trade, okay? Because this is the second pullback. Not interested at all. Did this trade win? Okay, probably would have won, but I'm not interested in that. Not even remotely going to be like, well, it's at an area of support and resistance. No, okay, full-time trader, can't do that risk no more. I've got a job to do, and that's make money, okay? Okay, so as you can see here, we carry on going down, right? We carry on going down. Now, we're just about to get London Open. Is that London Open? Okay, here we go. Sorry, I messed up. London Open was actually here. Right, London Open was actually there. You see that Mogwai arrow, that MACD arrow? No, that one, that MACD arrow, sorry. This is that MACD arrow there. So this is London Open, okay? So I actually won this trade. We made money on this trade. Same again here. I closed this off trade slightly early, but you can see here we won the trade, right? This would be the second one here. In fact, if I actually bring this up here, we've got a Mogwai signal, right? But let me just quickly show you a losing trade, right? Let me show you a losing trade. Okay, here we go. Well, that's not technically a losing trade, but same again here. Again, it's not a conspiracy theory, right? Look at that. First pullback, right? Look, first pullback. That's an area of resistance. Again, there's a nice one there. Let me find you a loss. Let me find you a loss that I would take and show you how I would handle it. Okay, is that a loss? Okay, here's a loss here, right? Here's a loss, okay? Here's a loss here. Okay, so same again, higher high, first pullback to an area of structure, okay? So I would take this trade. Give me a sec here. Give me a sec here, right? Give me a sec here, okay? So blah, 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 blah. I'm in this trade. Okay, you ready? Boom, I'm going to get it set up. Okay, now this technically broke the EMA, so I wouldn't take this trade. Wouldn't take the trade because it's broken the EMA. But for the purpose of this video, I will take the trade, okay? Area of support and resistance, but I wouldn't normally take this trade, okay? So I take this trade, right? I take this trade here, right? Bang. Now my main priority, again, let's just go with 4 pip stop loss, okay? 4 pip stop loss, 4 pip take profit, okay? Again, my target is the top of this zone. If it doesn't break this zone, it's clearly not an uptrend, is it? It's just going to go down, right? So I take the trade here. Now, right, you see how it's bounced straight off that? I'm out. I'm out now at break even. Done. because I don't like the double top pattern. And this is what I'm trying to explain to you, right? Don't sit there now and be like, well, it might go to a 1 to 2, it might do this, it might do that, it might do this, you might get ran over and die tomorrow, who knows, right? The point is, on this trade, at this time, I exited it early because I didn't feel confident it was going to win, right? What happened? There you go, I prevented a loss. Now, do I get that right and do I get that wrong? No, I get it right and I get it wrong all of the time. There was a trade on gold and I took this last week and it still to this day winds me up, okay? I say it winds me up, it does. Here we go here. Where is it? You ready? It'll appear any minute. Oh, that's nice buy, just say, look at that, beautiful. Okay, you ready? Ready, ready, ready? It's up here. No, it's not. It's going to be, it was a sell. It was a sell last week. Here we go here. Look at this one, right? Look at this one. You ready? Look. First pullback to an area of resistance. Okay. I actually closed this trade off when you see how we got the MACD arrow just there. I closed it off there. Looking back, maybe I should have got, I mean, if I held this trade open, excuse me, if I held this trade open, I would have made way more money. But as a job, as a trader, because that's my job, what is it? Take winning trades, make money. I did that. You can always look back in hindsight and saying, oh, well, I should have done this. I should have done that. Well, you did what you did at the time and that was it. Get over it. Done. You made profit. Move on. Okay? And that's what I want to try and teach you. That mindset of living in the moment and trading in the moment, not trading in the future and going, well, I need to do this in case I get a loss. Okay, well, let's get a loss first and worry about it. Because if you're being selective and you're taking good setups, you're only going to take winning trades, right? And if you build the confidence up and you bank profits as soon as you can, done. You'll make consistent profits. It's not hard. It's not difficult. It's just a mindset thing. And once you crack through that mindset, you actually enjoy your trading. And this is what I'm trying to say. Take profit as you can. Whatever you do after the trade, do what you want, right? If the trade is 10 pips in profit and it's struggling, close off 90% of the trade, move your stop loss, and if you want to target a 1 to 10, off you go. Who cares? You've already made money. If it goes to 1 to 10, great, you made money. If it stops you out, great, you made money. So I hope you enjoyed that video. My name is Jamie Palmer. Thank you for watching.